What's up? This is O with CLO Ed TV. Got a little 3D printed background. I'll be making a short about that soon. I had an issue with my lawnmower. When I was mowing the lawn, my gas cap came off, and for some reason I lost it, or I may have thrown it away or something like that. But I checked online to see what the prices were for the gas cap, and I'm like, 15 bucks, $7 here. I got to order, I got to wait 3 days for it to come in. And I said, that looks like something I could design, and that's exactly what I did here. So guys, this is my design, one of one, original Briggs & Stratton lawnmower gas cap. Now, I will be making this available on my website and also on thingiverse.com. Look for the links in the description below. I'll be developing the Thingiverse file first and then on my website. I wanted to do a short on a new design I was making. This is a Briggs & Stratton gas cap. And when I was looking online on Thingiverse, I couldn't find a particular gas cap that worked with my lawnmower. So I said, hey, let me take some measurements, hop on Blender, and design what you see right here. Let me show you my sketch, and then I'll show you the modeling files on the screen. Okay, so this is what I started with. I had to make sure that I knew the inside diameter of the hole. Also, I had to make sure I knew the thickness of the rim of the opening of the lawnmower, because I wanted to make sure this cap slid on. Also, there was some lips extending that needed to lock on an integral groove. And so everything you see on the sketch is all the inside measurements, the diameters, the thicknesses, the distances, and the rim on the outside. What I had to think about was, one, how would the cap fit on the lawnmower? 2, what it would look like, and 3, how I would get it to lock on the inside. So all these variables went into my sketch, and also when I was modeling the gas cap. Let me show you what the Blender files look like. Okay, so as you can see here, I have the final cap, which is right here. And I'll just bring you around and zoom in real quick so you can see what I'm working with. So basically, I had to think about the negative shape of an object, and I'll leave a picture right here to show you what I'm talking about. So the part that you see that's the empty space is actually the part of the lawnmower that has that spout coming out where you pour the gas in. So I had to make that, or think about that shape first before I could create this. So as you can see the progression of each diameter that I had on the sketch, and I would take a general shape and subtract it from that shape. And that's how I ended up with these two caps right here. Now I'll zoom in on this one so you can see the blue one, and you're working with the general same thing. Only difference is I flipped this one so it will print flat on the 3D printer, and this prints with no supports. And so with a combination of measurements, you want to understand that the negative space of an object is just as important as the positive space. Now, oddly enough, the locking mechanism and the fit and finish of my gas cap worked the very first time, and that doesn't happen all the time. So I'm really thankful. I was like, yes, I was really happy about the fact that the first design came out perfect. I want to pop on real quick and let you know that there is practical printing and things you can use with a 3D printer that you can actually save money and actually utilize things that help you in your daily tasks and activities. So guys, I really appreciate you guys tuning in on the channel. If you like what you saw in this video, leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll be cranking out more content on this channel very soon. Guys, take care. Hope you enjoy your weekend. I'll see you on the next video.